Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So I'm starting with this little peace sign from Dollar Tree. I got these cute little napkins. It's just gold dots at Target. So I'm just going to cut out my square from this napkin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put Mod Podge all over this except for on the tree. So after you get it covered with your Mod Podge like I did, I didn't do the tree. I'm just going to lay my napkin on it and press it down. The video I showed that you can just like this, the napkin. Y'all look at this. It's working, y'all. Look. Can you see that? And it just burns off the excess napkin. Do you see that? Is that not crazy? Look at that. The whole entire center of that. But look at this. You just light it and it burns and goes away. And then it goes out as soon as it gets to the wood or where the Mod Podge is at. So y'all look. So I'm just going around. I've got a sanding block. Just to get the rough edges. I'm just going to paint my tree green, and I've got Apple Barrel Christmas green. So there, I painted the tree part green. I've got this gold. It's called Splendid Gold. It's by Deco Art. I got it at Hobby Lobby to do the star. So there you have it, y'all. Isn't that cute?